Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here in West Palm Beach right now, and we just watched the second episode of our TV show. I was on Temptation Island, so we were having a little celebration out here watching the second episode. But I'm bringing this video to you guys today because I just had a lot of thoughts coming to my mind after having a student coaching call with one of my Amazon FBA students. And he's just like myself, also into cryptocurrency. So we both were on the mindset of making money with an Amazon business. He had a really good, solid product that was killing it during more of the COVID season. But as mask mandates and things like that are falling off, the product is also starting to fall off a little bit. So I just kind of advised him to lower his price point a little bit to a little above break even, where he can still get a lot of sales and traction, but maybe just start selling out of that product and using that money for other inventory that has a higher demand right now. But we came across the subject of, making that money online and then transferring into cryptocurrency. And he even showed me that the US debt clock right now is over $30 trillion. I feel like last year it was at 21 trillion, or when Trump was in office, it was around 21 trillion, and now it's 30 trillion. So when anyone's looking at one of the best opportunities, like what could you do to make some solid money right now? You gotta have money to make money, whether it's Amazon or crypto or just anything. So get the 9 to 5 if you have to, but make some money and then start building yourself a stable cash flow, which you're able to do with Amazon FBA. That's getting products from overseas, shipping into Amazon's warehouse, and you're researching products that are already getting good search volume and making a lot of sales. So you just want to get that into Amazon. Just wait for that private jet. We're finding products that are already having a high search volume, and that was the issue my student had, where his product, literally we could see the percentages on the keywords on how much search traffic they were getting, and they were just falling off a cliff. And having the data, which you're able to then find great products and see what's going to be selling, is why I love the Amazon business. It's not something where you're just guessing and hoping things are going to work. There's a proven formula for that, and I show people how to do it with the Amazon Seller Pro course. So I'll even leave the course link down below. Definitely check it out. I'll have a little discount code just because I like throwing it out there. If you type in AMZ Pro at checkout, you'll save like 20% on it. And I just want to give back and show people that if you can make a lot of money, then maybe you'll go tell your friends, and maybe my reputation will grow too. So it's a win-win, and that's kind of why I do a lot of this stuff. It's not for really the views, but planting seeds with other people. Now, like I'm saying, the debt clock going to $30 trillion. One thing that you also want to keep in mind is that certain cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin, guys, if you want to make small percentages, Bitcoin's the place to go. It's a safer coin. The big institutions, Ray Dalio, the top investors are in it, but it's not having the old giant fluctuations like it used to in 2017. So you got to be looking at things like 3x long coins like Solana, Luna, Polygon in their 3x versions of them. And like literally today, I'm looking at my account and these things are up. Like I'm literally looking at my account right now. You can see even today, Bitcoin's only up 3%, and Axie Infinity, a top crypto gaming coin, is up 60% today. Same with Decentraland, up 20%. So these are some of the top metaverse coins, and then all abroad here, these are the top 10, 20 coins in their 3x versions. And that's where I'm taking the money I've earned online to put them in there. I have about 60 grand in right now, and I'm literally looking to see if Bitcoin goes from where it's at 44K now to 56K. My $60,000 in an investment should turn into about $350,000. So that's what I'm fluctuating out. That's a sizable amount of money. That'll be the most money I've ever made in a single swing trade. But that's where we're at right now. I'm really happy to be out here, and we're gonna go to a cool steakhouse. We got a lot to see and a lot to do. So if you want to tap in and just kind of follow the journey, just hit the subscribe button, and definitely check out my Instagram link where you can like DM me and I'll actually get back to you. And it's hard to find real mentors and real people that want to help others to the level that I do. So if you don't believe me, just give me a shot and let's try it out. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Talk to you later. Peace.